Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make zucchini pasta with tomato sauce. First, select 2 to 3 medium-sized zucchinis. Wash them thoroughly, then use a spiralizer or a julienne peeler to transform them into long, thin pasta-like strands. It's important to pat these zucchini noodles dry with a paper towel to remove any excess water, which prevents your dish from becoming watery. Next, let's prepare a quick and flavorful tomato sauce. In a medium saucepan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté 1/4 of a cup of finely chopped onion and 2 minced cloves of garlic until fragrant, about 2 minutes. Stir in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, a pinch of salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of dried oregano. Let it simmer for at least 15 minutes. Now it's time to bring it all together. Gently warm your zucchini noodles in a large skillet for just 1 to 2 minutes. Avoid overcooking, as they can become mushy. Pour your delicious, warm tomato sauce over the zucchini noodles. Toss everything together until the noodles are evenly coated. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh basil leaves and a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese for an extra touch of flavor. Here are a few extra tips to elevate your zucchini pasta. For a slightly different texture and deeper flavor, you can roast your zucchini noodles in the oven for about 5 minutes before adding the sauce. Consider adding some cooked chicken, shrimp, or chickpeas to make it a more substantial meal. Remember to check the description below for links to some great kitchen tools and other deals, including Little Tree's black ice air fresheners to keep your car smelling fresh. Enjoy your healthy and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.